Okay, so all of you, are you all ready with your match boxes? Match
Yes,
box.
sir.
We remember that we have to do an activity today. Very good. Same. Ansharya, your match box and my match box are of the same brand.
Yes, sir, but it's a packet, full packet. I
Yes,
will take
that is
out
a
one from
problem.
it.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so still very few students are there in that class. Let's wait for one more minute and then we will start with the activity. Okay, who else? Bhakti has brought the match box. Very good.
Well, now it is same.
Now it is the same. Bhakti, you have also brought. Very good. Abhiyan, Asfa, I hope you will not play with it. Play मतलब वो match stick निकाल करके don't light it up. Okay. Be careful with it. Abhiyan, have you ever cooked food? Anything? Have you ever tried cooking?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have tried.
Bhakti
Two
Sir,
has,
I
items
have
I have
tried.
tried.
Sir,
Bhakti
I
has,
can
Sir,
make.
I made bread pizza and breakfast.
Sir, I have tried.
Also, crispy
Right.
prawns.
अच्छा,
Also,
Sir, I can make salad, omelette, and
sir, cake, birthday
Sir,
cake. Birthday
sir,
cake I
sir,
also
I
have
can make,
made.
sir, I can make pizza, I can make cake, and I can make omelette also.
ना
Sir, I
sir.
can make
I have made
egg
bread
cake
pizza.
and this.
So one by one you all can call
Sir,
me.
but my chapati,
One by one you all can call me
Sir,
but
I
sir,
tomorrow.
my
make
chapati
birthday cake
is not,
also.
I'm
sir,
saying.
but sometime I have tried to make chapati, but it's never get circle. It's like it's a map.
Okay, it becomes the map of Australia. It's like the map
Yes,
of
sir.
Australia. Got it. I also tried once. It became a map of Sri Lanka. Hanji, so I was saying that whenever you all cook, you just call me to your home. One by one you can call me, and I will come to taste what you all have cooked. Okay. Okay. So
Sir,
others,
we have to also take glue also.
no. Glue is not required. And Aspa, you have also taken the matchbox.
Sir, I did not found any matchbox.
Oh, you don't. You did not
Sir,
find any.
I have. Sir, I can stick them.
Ansh, you can borrow from Ansh. Ansh, can you give your match one of the matchbox to Aspa?
Yes, take it.
Take it, Aspa.
I wish I could.
Sir, who is this Dell in our class? I never heard his name.
Sorry, beta.
Sir, anybody entered Dell in our class? D-double-L.
Dell. Beta, change your name, whoever it is, with the name Dell. Write your own name. Shivam. Raini. Kush. Bhakti.
So what we have to do out of that matchbox?
Yes, I will just tell you, beta. Just wait. Okay, can you bring up glue also, everyone? Do you have a glue?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, sir. So, but we have to paste it.
You can paste it in your copies. This will give you a good idea.
That will look better.
Pasting in your copy will be better because otherwise the matchsticks will keep on falling here and there. So that will be difficult.
So, sir, let me bring. Wait a second.
So the name of the activity is types of quadrilaterals. Okay. Types of quadrilaterals. Okay, ready all of you? Yes. Ready.
So my glue get over. It's finished.
Okay, so you can do it without a glue right now, and then later on you can do it with the help of a glue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have two glues, one big and one small.
So beta, you can borrow from Ansh.
Sir, I wish I could.
So when you have offline school, online method, this is a problem. You cannot borrow anything from anyone. In offline, I could see students borrowing things from each other very often. Now in online, you cannot do this. Okay, let's start then. Okay, so what I will be doing now, I will make a parallelogram. You take out 6. So you can write down the heading in your notebook. In your notebook only, write down the heading parallelogram. Write down the heading parallelogram. Okay. So what you have to do now, you will make a parallelogram with the help of matchsticks. How are you going to do this? You will take 6 matchsticks. 6. How many? 6 matchsticks. Take 6 and then make a parallelogram. First one. Then you have to make a parallelogram. Like
Okay,
this.
sir.
Keep your matchsticks like this is the first one. Okay. Then this is the second one. देखो कितनी अच्छी मैच स्टिक बनाता हूँ. Second one, keep them like this, and then keep two matchsticks like this. मतलब so that don't paste them. First you try keeping them, okay, and finally when you see that a parallelogram is formed, then you can paste them, okay. So and then you keep
Sir, like this.
two like this. Have you made it? अरे अभियान, ये तो हेक्सागन बना दिया आपने. This is a hexagon. We're making a parallelogram, okay. So 4 matchsticks we have used, and you can keep them like this, parallel lines. So are these two lines parallel to each other? You will see that there will be two parallel line segments. Now you keep one matchstick like this and the second one like this. Okay. So now it will form a parallelogram.
Sir, wait for 5 minutes. I'm just pasting it.
Yes. Are you ready with it? Can you all understand, or do you want me to post a picture? Yeah, I will make it and I will make send a picture on the group. Not on the group. I will show. I will share my screen. So I have also made it. Now I will show you what I have done. Okay, I have made it and you all can see it on my screen. Just check whether you have made it like this. You all have made it
Sir,
like this?
I have 4.
नहीं, 4 से नहीं बनाना है. You have to make it using 6 only, not using 4.
Sir, I'm saying that I have created the parallelogram more than you.
Sorry, Ansh, what are you saying?
Sir, I have the way you have tilted. I have also tilted more than it. Sir,
Okay.
please see.
Okay, show it to me. Very good. Okay, one
Only
stick is
one.
left. Okay, paste it. Very good. Very
Please
good.
see.
Abhiyan has also made
So
it.
what we are doing?
Let me see, Abhiyan. Just wait. Can you rotate it a bit, Abhiyan? Rotate your, show me your copy. Very good. So what you all can notice here, what is the important thing that you all can notice in this figure? Very good, Abhiyan.
Sir,
What is the important thing that you all can notice here? Can you tell me? That you
no,
can see that these two sides, if you want, you can name the figure also.
Sir, we have to stick them in math copy.
Yes, in your maths copies. ये क्या कर दिया? You can name the figure like this AB3D. Name it also. Now you can see that here the side AB is equal to the side 3D. Okay, opposite sides are equal and also parallel to each other. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Can you see that you have in one pair of opposite sides you have used two sticks? दो स्टिक आपने यूज करी हैं, two sticks each. Are you all noticing all these things? You have used two sticks on one side of parallelogram and on the opposite side also you have used two sticks. Whereas in the other pair you have used one stick each. आपने दोनों जगह एक एक स्टिक का यूज किया है. Okay, one stick each on the second pair. Okay, so this means what? What is the meaning of this? This means that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. There are two pairs of equal sides. Very good. Ansh has made it. Let me see. Just a minute. Very good, beta. Ansh. Very good. Name the pair. Name the parallelogram like this.
वो है पकड़ा ना पा रहा हूँ.
Okay, the next one. Write down the second name, all of you. Name of the second shape. The second one is a rhombus. Second one is a rhombus. Rhombus के लिए what you have to do? You have to use only 4 sticks, not 6 sticks. Use only 4 sticks for a rhombus, and it will be made like this. Okay, in this manner you can make it rhombus. I will be posting a picture. I will show you my screen.
Sir, after doing all, can I send on your WhatsApp number?
You can send it in the group.
Okay,
After
sir.
making all, you all will post your work in the groups. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, otherwise it is very interesting activity.
So write down the heading also. Don't forget to write down the heading rhombus, second one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you all will not forget to write down the heading. Only one matchstick you will use in each side. That means 4 matchsticks will be required to make a rhombus. Okay. Rhombus. You can see my rhombus on your screen.
Yes, sir.
Make it like this. I have shared my screen and you can see the rhombus. So in a parallelogram and in a rhombus, there are some similarities. The similarities are that opposite sides are parallel in both the cases. And one more similarity is there, that is the angles are not 90 degrees. Angles are not right angles. These are the similarities between a parallelogram and a rhombus. What is the difference between a parallelogram and a rhombus? Can any one of you tell me what is the difference?
Sir, please see my rhombus.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between a rhombus and a
Sir, in a
parallelogram?
rhombus, all the
Rhombus
sides
is
are
similar
equal.
to square
Sir,
and
in the
the
rhombus,
parallel.
sir, in the rhombus, all the sides are equal. And sir,
Very good.
in a parallelogram, there are two sides, two sides equal. Yes, sir. Opposite sides are equal.
Yes, very good. In a rhombus, all the four sides are equal, whereas in a parallelogram, only the opposite sides are equal. Abhiyan, can you show me your figures again?
Sir, the rhombus wasn't rough one. I am pasting it with glue.
Okay, write down the heading also. I can see you have not written the heading. Write down the heading also.
Sir,
Rhombus.
this is the heading but not showed.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, please see my rhombus.
Yes, so Abhiyan,
Sir, and
very good, very good, perfect.
Sir, please see my.
थोड़ा सा ये वाला जो नीचे वाला स्टिक है वो थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया है, अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी गुड.
okay, sir.
हाँ, भक्ति, show me. Bhakti is showing her laptop. Yes, very good, Bhakti. It is looking very much like a square. Okay. You don't have to, Bhakti, listen.
Yes, sir.
You have rotated the figure. You don't have to rotate the figure. You have to you had to make the angles less than 90. One of the angles should be less than 90 and one of the angles should be more than 90. आपने क्या करा देखो मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको what you have done. So this is why we are doing this activity to make you all understand all these concepts. You will learn a lot of concepts because of this. What we have done, Bhakti, listen. So this is a square. If there
Yes,
is
sir.
this is a square. Okay. If I rotate it a little bit, it will look like this. So you have just rotated a square. It is a square. What you have made is a square. You have rotated a square a little bit. आपने इसको थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर दिया है. वो ऐड आता है ना मैड एंगल वाला. देखा है आपने? In which you rotate a triangle. Here you have rotated a square. So it should not be like this. It should not look like a square. Here the angles are 90 degrees. But this is the difference. The figure that you have made, the angles are still looking like 90 degrees. Angle should not be 90 degrees. In my figure, I have not rotated a square. You can see that this angle is much less than 90. Am I right or not? Are you getting my point, Bhakti?
Yes, sir.
So this is the important thing. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Now see, I am. Sir, now it is straight. I think, sir, it has been tilted little bit more.
Have you corrected it?
Yes,
And
sir.
So what next we have to make?
just wait, beta. I'm just telling. Ansh, show it to me.
Sir, please. Sir, I have to name its side.
Okay. Where is your video? I can't see your video.
So what we have to make next?
Answer,
Next.
just
Next figure is rectangle.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
Start.
also 6 matchstick.
Again matchsticks. Now you will take 6 matchsticks to make a rectangle. 6 matchsticks. Okay. Like a parallelogram, you use the 6 matchsticks to make a parallelogram, and again in a rectangle also you will use 6 matchsticks. But what will be the difference? What is the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle? In a parallelogram, the angles are not right angles, whereas in a rectangle, the angles are right angles. Okay, rectangle में जो भी आप angles बनाएंगे, it is very important to make the angles right angles, like this. So it should be straight. So use 2 matchsticks in this side, 2 here. So these are my matchsticks. You can see them on the board. I have used 2 matchsticks on these 2 sides and 1 each on the other pair of opposite sides. Okay. I will also share my screen to show how I have made it. And then after a rectangle, you will make a square. Okay. And then I want every one of you to post your pictures in the group. Not your pictures, pictures of your activity. अपनी pictures post नहीं करनी है. Aspa, can you post your work in the evening?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the evening, sir, there will be some sunlight. So, sir, I will go to the shops to buy some matchsticks.
Yes. So I have made the rectangle. My rectangle is ready. Right, we are dealing with it.
Sir, after and the rectangle and square, we will have more quadrilateral.
Only one will be left after the square.
Square.
Yes. That will be trapezium. Only one will be left after square. So this is the rectangle. You can see on your screen. I have shared my screen. You can see how to make a rectangle. Here, the important thing is that the angles are 90 degrees. Okay. All the angles are right angles. You can see on the board also. All the angles are right angles. Very, 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 very important thing. Okay.
Sir, after rectangle, square.
Yes, after rectangle, you will make a square. For making a square, you will use only 4 matchsticks. Okay, show me your rectangles, all of you. Narayani is showing very good, beta.
I did not made it till yet.
Very good, Narayani. So, what is the similarity between a rectangle and a parallelogram, everyone? What is the similarity? The similarity is that opposite sides are equal in both the cases. Opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. What is the difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram? What is the difference?
The opposite side are equal.
No,
No,
this
sir, it is
is
not 90 degree and rectangle is 90 degree.
yes. In a rectangle, angles are 90 degrees. That means right angles are there in a rectangle. Whereas in a parallelogram, the angles are not right angles. Okay. Last one is square. Make a square also and post a picture. Square and rhombus very similar to each other, but still different. कुछ similar है, कुछ different है उन दोनों में. Square and rhombus में. I'm going to share my screen again to show you a square. You can see the square on your screen. I have made it, all of you. Please see it once. What is the important thing in a square? There are two very important things in a square. The first is all the sides are equal. Very, very important thing. All the sides are equal. And the second important thing is that all the angles are of 90 degrees. So there is a similarity between a rhombus and a square. What is the similarity in a rhombus and a square? Similarity is that all sides are
Sir, we
equal.
have to make.
The similarity is that all sides are equal in both the cases, in a square as well as in a rhombus. But what is the difference? The difference is that in a rhombus, angles are not right angles, whereas in a square, the angles are right angles.
Sir, we have to make a square and rectangle both.
Yes, beta पहले rectangle बनाना है फिर square बनाना है. The fourth last one is a square. First to make a rectangle, third figure is a rectangle, and the last one is a square.
So we have to also make trapezium.
Trapezium you can do in homework. So this is a square
Okay, sir.
using 4 matchsticks. It is also there on my screen. I have shared my screen, and it is also made on the board. All sides equal and all angles right angles. It makes a square. Square has some properties of rectangle and some properties of rhombus. Square or rectangle में भी कुछ similar है. What is the similarity between a square and a rectangle? Anyone? You all are busy in doing the activity. What I am asking you all, that is also important. This is important for you all to learn the properties. ये सब हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? Just because you learn the properties. Okay. So what is the similarity between a square and a rectangle? Can you tell me the similarity? Square and rectangle. Similarity क्या है? सोचिए. Anyone? Both the
Sir,
figures.
they both are 90 degree.
Yes, very good. Both the figures have all angles right angles. In both the shapes, all the angles are right angles. What is the difference between a square and a rectangle? Difference क्या है square और rectangle में? Bhakti say hello to
Sir,
you.
in square, all sides are
That
equal.
the
In
squares
rectangle,
are
only two sides
that
are
the
equal.
all sides of squares are equal, but in rectangle their opposite sides are equal.
Very good. Bhakti say hello to your sister.
Hello, bolo.
Hello. नहीं.
Sir, period is over.
Okay, the class is over. We will meet in the next class whenever we have our next class. You all can post your
Okay,
pictures
sir.
after completing your work. You all can post your activity in the groups. Okay, everyone. Post
Okay,
it right.
sir.
Post it right now. Okay. Bye bye, all of you.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
sir.
Bye, sir.